Winchester, the ancient capital of England before London, a magical place to get into the festive season by visiting the annual Christmas market. Join us as we take an evening walk through the historic streets and explore the wonderful market held beside the cathedral. Winchester is just 1 hour's train ride from London, and at this time of year very busy with shoppers looking for bargains and that special Christmas gift. As we head to the markets, the walk gives us a chance to experience some of the rich history and culture of Winchester. The ancient streets are lined with charming timber-framed buildings, many of which date back to the Middle Ages. A fascinating glimpse into Winchester's past, from its Roman origins to its time as the capital of England. We have previously produced a separate video on all the amazing sights and history of Winchester during the day, so do check out that video at the end. It's well worth a day trip to explore this amazing city. Buttercross, in the centre of the high street, was a place for countrymen to sell their wares for centuries. And whilst the types of goods may have changed, it still is a hive of activity with market stalls and the main city Christmas trees positioned here. There are many restaurants and charming pubs to pick from if you plan to have a drink or dinner. All I would say is book in advance. The queues to get into many places, even at 5:30 p.m, was quite a surprise. The lower end of the high street attracts the crowds for the Saturday market. This isn't the Christmas market, we'll get there soon, but it's still a place to find some unusual items along with fresh flowers, fruit, vegetables, fashion, bric-a-brac, jewellery and many household goods. The Gothic Guildhall, built in the 1870s, looks very festive tonight with its blood-red clock face and snow effect lights draped over this impressive building. Ahead of us is Winchester Cathedral, which dates from 1079, a popular visitor attraction for its incredible interiors and the resting place of famous novelist Jane Austen. The cathedral offers a variety of special Christmas services, including carol concerts, nativity plays and the midnight mass. There was quite a queue building outside the cathedral to get into the market in Cathedral Close, but the line moved very quickly, so don't be put off. We had picked a Saturday night, probably the busiest evening of the week to visit. With a distinctly German feel, the stalls are charming wooden chalets, the smell of Christmas just hitting you as you enter. Visitors can browse a wide array of handcrafted gifts from traditional Christmas ornaments to locally produced food and drink. There are also plenty of opportunities to indulge in festive treats such as mulled wine, roasted chestnuts and mince pies. And if you're looking for a bit of entertainment, there are live music performances and children's activities taking place at certain times. The market is a relatively new addition to the city's festive calendar, having first opened its doors in 2006. However, it has quickly become a beloved tradition set against the backdrop of the stunning cathedral, its twinkling lights and festive stalls creating a truly enchanting scene. So that's it from an incredibly busy Winchester Christmas Market. We hope you've enjoyed walking around this evening with us. It's been a treat and got us into the festive spirit. Thanks so much for watching throughout the whole of this year, and we wish you all and your families a very Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.